Welcome back to the channel Maama and Taata. And in today's episode, I'm going to be working on this new chair. It's actually not a new chair. To me, it's a new chair, but it's a chair that was picked up from how do they call those places where they put old things and then they are reselling them. So there is a bit of refurbishing done to it, but it's very dirty, and it's what we're going to be cleaning up in this very video. So for most of the video, I'm going to be representing the rest of the family. My name is Saz Ignatius, and this chair is part of a setup for my home office that I'm going to be working on. Remember, I do usually work from home most of the times, and I've not been having a proper setup. There's one I had before, but we recently moved and like a number of things changed with that. Yeah, so my setup was a bit disorganized. Yeah, so I will start with a chair, probably go to the table, get a screen, that is a monitor, and I will see how other things go. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay around as we do the rest of the video. First move away, going to pour hot water. Huh? You see this hot water? You see? See? Hot. There. Remove that.
Snowflakes drift on a silent night. City lights glowing soft and white. Fireplace warmth in a cozy room. All I want is you to chase away the gloom. Record spin with a mellow tune. Candles low, casting lazy moons. Curl up close, feel the quiet bliss. All I want is you to steal a kiss.
I think my assistant got tired and decided to run away. Neighbors become more tiresome than we expected. So I'm continuing with the hot water just to make sure that this chair doesn't have any funny insects that are remaining in there. Remember, it's not a brand new chair, but it's relatively not like very old. Yeah, but I need to make sure that these small insects that hide in wool and such things are not there. People in African countries, you know, all those types of insects that we are referring to in this case, they can't survive this hot water. So that's why I'm continuing with the hot water. And I think I've poured in most of the other areas. Yeah, so that hot water helps, and it burns them to death, it kills them. Yeah. And then the other thing, I'm going to leave it in the sun. Yeah, and the sun is also going to do more for us in terms of chasing away those insects. Yeah, I think this is enough hot water. Can go back to now just scrubbing it.
Forget the world, let it slide by. No fancy gifts, no shiny clues. Just your love. So
I found my assistant,
all I want for winter is
but she's how you turn and go the other side? You first get off, then you take it properly. Yeah, like that. It's going up the hill. You need to put in energy. Huh? Energy. Okay. I need to change it and come back down. You first get off. Yo. Now you sit and come down. Hey, you climb like that, you will fall. Who told you to climb like that? Yeah? I know the person who told you. You go down. You ride. Go down. I push you a little. Uh-huh. 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 Abwiga sembayo. Eh? Nantuyongerako nga kubeera nga sikyagetaaga. So this is our chair. I think I'm done cleaning it. There's not anything more than this that I can do at the moment. It's what it is. It's not a brand new chair. Yeah. And I can say, let the work begin.